guys, welcome to Technity. Today we shall discuss about one of the trending virtual currency nowadays, that is Bitcoin. So what are Bitcoins? Bitcoins are basically the initial virtual currency on the internet which has lot of questions like what are they? How Bitcoins are made? And is it legal to use them? How can we get it? And much more. Today we shall discuss about the basics of Bitcoins that we need to know before using Bitcoins. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to know what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are basically line of computer coding which holds monetary value, and they are made by electricity and high performance computer. Hence, cryptocurrency are also called as digital currency. The word crypto in cryptocurrency is originated from cryptography, which basically means protection of transactions that makes sendings of lines of code during purchases. Guys, the important point to be noticed on the cryptocurrency is the government has no control over the production of cryptocurrencies, and this is one of the basic fact that has made cryptocurrencies so popular nowadays. Every cryptocurrency is produced keeping a market cap in mind so that their value can increase in future. So what are Bitcoins? So Bitcoins are the first ever made virtual currency on the internet, which was created around 2009, and no one knows who actually created the Bitcoin. So guys, let's move on to advantages of Bitcoin. One of the best advantage of Bitcoin is Bitcoins can be stored offline in the form of person's local hardware, which protects Bitcoin from being stolen by others. And another method is it can be stored online, and there will be high risk of Bitcoins being stolen by others. On the flip side, if the person loses the hardware in which he had stored Bitcoin, then he would lose Bitcoins forever. So it has been estimated that around 30 billion Bitcoins have been lost by this consequence. Why Bitcoins are more controversial? Guys, 4 to 5 years ago, the criminal traders made Bitcoins famous by buying them in millions of dollars so they could move Bitcoins from one place to another place behind the eyes of law enforcement, and hence there are many scams in Bitcoins. Ultimately, though Bitcoins are controversial because they directly take the power of making money from the central federal banks and distribute to the general public. Bitcoin's accounts cannot be examined by taxmen, and the middle banks have no role to play it in the Bitcoin transaction. How Bitcoins work? So Bitcoins are the virtual currencies which are designed to be self-contained. Once if you own Bitcoins, it's like you own physical gold coins. You can purchase goods and services online, or you can tug them hoping for the increase in values in future. So guys, let's talk about the security of Bitcoins. So Bitcoins are generally like having physical gold coins, just like a person with physical gold bags, and if he takes a reasonable precaution, he can save himself from being hacked by hacker. Guys, as mentioned earlier, Bitcoins can be stored offline as well as online, but the offline method is more hacker resistive, but for a person who owns more than 1 to 2 Bitcoins, it is not without risk. Here are some reasons why Bitcoins are such a big deal nowadays. Bitcoins are not created by central federal banks nor regulated by government. Guys, the second one is Bitcoin transaction bypasses banks. The transaction of a Bitcoin takes place via peer-to-peer network between individuals, and the middle banks have no role to play in them. And once the transaction is done, they cannot be reversed. So guys, this was the today's discussion. Hope you like the video. Share, subscribe Technity for further technical video.